Welcome to today's post-market analysis. Let's see what are the possible trades for today and then how market behaved. Market is behaving very strangely from past few days. I have been very busy with my personal work and I'm not actively trading. And the same volatility continued. Yesterday you can see there's a huge bounce and then there is immediately a big crash and then again recovered and then ultimately it actually closed wherever it opened. So it stayed in the same area, but the volatility is too much. And coming to today, these are the important levels before opening the market, and I have marked this level as well because market bounced from here and it is a previous day's low and as well as turning point from here. Okay, so this level also I was looking at as a important area. So you can see, let me zoom it slightly so that we'll focus on today. So you can see today market opened with a green candle and there is a 20-day moving average plus CPR support. So you can go long here and keeping the stop loss below central pivot, and you can aim for this area if at all you have to go. But here we have seen a sell off at this area around 47,500. So risk reward is not in favor of us, so we can't take it. So until this point, actually, if you see, until this point market actually stayed sideways, not giving any direction for the expiry traders. Whereas at the same time you can see initially only Nifty was actually very strongly the sell off is happening. So bank Nifty is looking sideways and Nifty also can turn around and then it also can also remain sideways like yesterday. So there's no direction in the opening. But if at all you have to take in the directional way, so when there is a price retracement back to the CPR and then there is 20 MA resistance, so here you can take the short position keeping stop loss here and then aim for the day low. It is almost 1:1.7 or 1.8. So that is one possible trade, and you can see market actually never gave the chance and it continuously was falling. We have this support zone, we have bounced from this area, so we can't take any like short position when market is approaching 1, 2, 3 support zones are there. So entire area is a zone. So here also we have big candle which is breaking all three levels, but shorting at this point and then aiming for this is like 1:2, but its stop loss is too big. So I was looking for some kind of retracement back to this zone plus 20 MA where we'll get the good risk reward short here and then keep stop loss here and then at least aim for this support or this one. But it never gave the retracement, and then when a trending day we have to enter in a place where 20 MA plus any other resistance happens. So here it retraced back and then there is no pivot support and then pivot resistance, here also it is away from the pivot and then only again touched here. By that time it is almost end of the market. So Nifty, we don't have any other a possible entry except this. In the opening also you see the candle is too huge and then reward should be here. It is like almost 1:1. So this also we can avoid. So only possible trade in Nifty is this. At the same time, okay, bank Nifty is taking, you can see for bank Nifty this is sideways only. If at all you are predicting it to be following again trending market, so this is the possible entry, this small candle. Let me draw it again, you see this is the possible entry, and then keep your stop loss here and aim for the target here. Okay, you can see 1:1, almost 1.9 or 1:2. Okay, here it tried to actually bounce. You can see there is a huge wicks and also the volume has picked up. But after the sellers has came, and then they tried to push the price down, and then there is a huge consolidation at this area, and then finally market broke down and then tried to recover again. It actually faced the resistance at this area. So ultimately sellers are successfully uh, managed and tried to keep the price down, and it actually stayed down. So that is one possible entry which is here. Otherwise when the market came back to the same area, here you see red candle, entry here, stop loss here, and you can if you aim for here 1:1 again. So this also we can avoid. So only possible thing is here, okay, where we actually have very less stop loss and good risk reward. Other than that, no other things. But coming to tomorrow, so we can, I think, shift this area, shift this level, because this is already tested. We can shift this to here, and then this demand zone, I think we can move to today's low. So now it looks clean and neat. But the thing is, this area where we have seen the consolidation, right? So this period, or this area, right, this area where it took resistance again, this is matching to our CPR. This is very good and important thing. So any price which is like flat opening or gap up opening slightly around the CPR, I think it is a good place to short. Or if it is too huge gap down, right, I think we can aim for the CPR, where again this. So tomorrow again must and should, wherever this area will be touched, and if it is flat opening or slight gap up opening around this area, I think this is worth shorting and keeping your stop loss above the CPR. So, and another possibility is, as today is a trending market, today tomorrow it can be like a sideways day. So that is why I have deployed a iron condor here. So we can see tomorrow how the market behaves. You can see it is very volatile in this kind of markets, right? Wherever you keep your stop loss, it will be hit. So only iron condor or these kind of strategies where you already know the risk and reward, those kind of things only can protect you actually from very volatile things. So coming to Nifty, so this area is already tested, so I think we can remove these levels, and this area we can shift it to here. Okay, so now it looks clean again. You see today's high and today's low are both are important. Out of these two, today's high is very important supply zone for coming days. And coming to downside, we have 1 2 3, all these are demand zones. I think this is 20 MA if I am not wrong. Let's go to the higher time frame and confirm where is the 20 MA. So 20 MA is, I think, little bit old. We can shift here. Okay, you can see this today's big candle is actually covering all this price action from multiple months, from around December. Okay, around December I think is here, sorry. So where we have seen multiple consolidation, I think it can touch this level. So today's candle is a very big candle, so considering that, I think we can expect sideways day tomorrow. Okay, so see at CPR you can see we have another resistance which is like 20 MA plus this where we have seen small consolidation here, and then your wide CPR. So this level is going to act as very good resistance. Slight gap up opening can give us a good opportunity to actually short this market. And tomorrow is a Nifty expiry. Sorry, I have mistakenly told you that I have taken iron condor there. I actually have taken iron condor here. Okay, I think the range for tomorrow for my iron condor is between these two, I am happy to book my loss. Even if it goes outside this range, I am hoping this will come back inside the range. Okay, I'll keep that as it is, and then I'll look for any other directional price action if at all happens according to our setup. I'll take that. Otherwise, I'll keep that straddle, or sorry, iron condor as it is, and I'll see how the market behaves, and based on the price action only, if we find any high probable trade, then only we will take. Otherwise, we are happy with the iron condor that we deployed. Let's move this 20 MA for this one as well. I think this is at a very important level, Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is at very important support. Let me save this. Let's see how the market opens tomorrow, and based on high probable trades, we can take the trade according to our setup. Thank you for watching. Bye.